Welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about using your electronics, that's your smart TV, your phones, and your laptops. Now, I also talk about downloading applications to your smart TV that they might not be found on Google Play Store or App Store. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to download Hallmark application to your smart TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to download the Hallmark application to your smart TV with Google Play Store, here's exactly what you have to do. The first is connecting to the internet, and the second thing is using this application called Downloader. Now, Downloader is a very beautiful application I love using. And what Downloader does is that it acts as an intermediary. What do I mean? With Downloader, you'll be able to search for applications or APKs from across the internet, and it's going to show you various sources to download application to your smart TV. So all you have to do is come out here. Now, before you come here, if you don't have Downloader on your smart TV and you need it, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to help you to get Downloader on your smart TV. So after going through that, just download that and then launch it. And this is how the interface looks like. Once you're here, you're just going to go ahead and type in the keyword which you're looking for, which is Hallmark. Once you type in Hallmark, now to make it more specific, just go ahead and add app or TV app, for instance. I just want you to make our result specific to what we're searching for. When I click on that, it's going to bring it to a result page of various places in which you can download Hallmark to your smart TV. As you can see on my screen here are the various results already. So what you have to do is to go through all of them to see which one is good for you. So here you can go through some of them to see which one is good for you. So if I just scroll down a little bit, you can see here's an option. You can use this option Hallmark TV. Here's another option. So you just want to choose an option that is good for you. So for instance, if I click on this, if I click on this option, it's going to bring me to this area here where I can just go ahead and install the application to my smart TV if it is supported on my smart TV. So if it's supported on smart TV, you're going to see an install button here. If it's not, you're not going to see a button here. But if this doesn't work, you can also go ahead to try the other methods that have been suggested to you by Downloader. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.